How to weld, unite, subtract, intersect and exclude in Cricut Design Space. Weld. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, go to Shapes and select 2 shapes. Step 2. Place the shape strategically and change the color if you wish to by clicking on the color swatch button. Step 3. To weld, select all the shapes and click on Combine, then Weld. Step 4. The shapes will turn into a single cutting layer and you cannot undo it once you save it. Step 5. But you can undo it by clicking on the Undo button as long as it's not saved. Unite. Step 1. To unite, select the strategically placed shapes, click on Combine, then Unite. Step 2. You will get the same result as Weld, but you can still access all the individual layers unlike Weld. Step 3. To ununite the layers, click on Combine, then Undo Unite. Step 4. If you want the shapes welded together and you don't want them to be separated, you can click on Combine, then Merge Layers. Step 5. When you merge layers, you get the same result as when you weld. Subtract. Step 1. Select the strategically placed shapes, click on Combine, then Subtract. Step 2. When you subtract, it cuts the front layer out of the back layer. Step 3. Always remember that the piece in the front will subtract from the piece in the back. Step 4. You can undo the subtract or merge it if you wish to. Intersect. Step 1. Select the strategically placed shapes, click on Combine, then Intersect. Step 2. When you intersect, it takes the overlapping layers and leaves you with just the pieces that overlap. Step 3. But you'll see that the layers still exist in the Layers panel, which means that you can modify and undo. Step 4. To undo the intersect, click on Combine, then Undo Intersect. Step 5. You can also make it to a single layer by clicking on Combine, then Merge Layers. Exclude. Step 1. Select the shapes, click on Combine, then Exclude. Step 2. When you click Exclude, it'll slice out the places where there's overlapping and leave you with everything else. Step 3. You'll see the original layers in the Layers panel, so you can undo and merge it if you wish to. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.